নমস্কার, আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার তরফ থেকে আজকে এপিসোড নাম্বার 153 অন মধুবনী এবং সমস্ত হ্যান্ড পেইন্টেড মধুবনী। এটা একটা খুব সুন্দর আর্ট ফ্রম মিথিলা, যেটা একদম হাতে নেবে তৈরি করা হয় এবং এটা একটা অনেক প্রসেস দিয়ে যাওয়া হয়, যেটা খুব সুন্দর এবং খুব ট্রেডিশনাল আর্ট ফর্ম। সো দেখতে শুরু করি আজকে এপিসোড নাম্বার 153 সংস্কৃতি কলকাতা। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1, যেটা আমি সবসময় বলি, সংস্কৃতি কিছু না কিছু নতুনত্ব জিনিস প্রত্যেকটা এপিসোডে নিয়ে আসার চেষ্টা করে। এত শর্ট টাইম, পুজোর চাপ, তার মধ্যে নতুনই বলতে পারেন, কয়েক মাসই হয়েছে আমি ইউটিউবটা স্টার্ট করেছি চ্যানেলটা। তার মধ্যেও চেষ্টা করি আপনাদের কাছে কিছু নতুনত্ব তুলে ধরার। তার মধ্যে এটা একটা নতুন মধুবনীর মধ্যে করলাম। দেখুন, প্রথমে খালি শাড়ি দেখাতাম, তার সাথে সাথে এখন দুপাট্টা এবং তার সাথে সাথে এটা একটা একদম নতুন ডিজাইন, জরি বর্ডার তসরের মধ্যে হ্যান্ড পেইন্টেড মধুবনী, বর্ডার, বুটি এবং আঁচলের কনসেপ্টে করা। খুব সোবার কাজ, যারা অনেকে অত বেশি কাজ করতে পছন্দ করেন না, যারা একটু হালকা সোবারের মধ্যে অথচ মধুবনী পেইন্টিংটা নিশ্চয়ই সবাই পছন্দ করে। এটা একটা হাতে আঁকা জিনিস এবং এটার মধ্যে খুব সুন্দর গোল্ড জরি বর্ডার আছে তসরটার মধ্যে। আঁচলটা আরেকবার দেখুন, এগুলো কিন্তু মেনলি লিভিং বিংস দিয়ে, অ্যানিমালস, বার্ডস, ফিশ, লিভস, ফুল, লতা পাতা দিয়ে পেন্টিংগুলো হয়। এটা ট্র্যাডিশনাল আর্ট, যেটা আমি আঁচলের মধ্যে আবার পাড় ধরে এবং গায়ে বুটিতে করা হয়েছে পুরোপুরি। অসম্ভব ভালো কোয়ালিটি তসর। এবং আমি একটা কথা বলে নিই, মধুবনী কিন্তু আমাদের প্রিন্টেড তসর যেগুলো ইউজ করা হয় বা কিছু, তার পলিশ এর পলিশ কিন্তু একদমই আলাদা হয়, যার জন্য আপনার মনে হয় যে তসরটা কিন্তু অন্যরকম। এগুলো কিন্তু আমাদের ওই তসর না, এক একটা স্টেটের কিন্তু তসর আলাদা হয়। এগুলো প্রত্যেকটা 100% পিওর কোয়ালিটি তসর, কিন্তু এগুলোতে যেহেতু ডাইং হয় না আর পলিশটা একটু শাইনি দেওয়া হয়, একটু ক্যালেন্ডার পলিশের থেকে বেশি একটু মোম পলিশটা বেশি করা হয় বলে একটা ওয়্যাক্সের একটা শাইনি একটা একটু লুকটা আসে। কিন্তু এগুলো সমস্ত পিওর তসর এবং সমস্ত হ্যান্ড পেইন্টিং করা হয়েছে অরিজিনাল। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1, খুব সুন্দর সোবার কাজটা আরেকবার দেখুন, খুব বড় আঁচল করা হয়েছে এবং বর্ডার পাল্লু কনসেপ্টে করা হয়েছে। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1, প্রত্যেকটার প্রাইস ডেসক্রিপশনে যাচ্ছে, আপনার স্ক্রিনশটটা নিয়ে রাখুন। স্ক্রিনশটের ওপর কিন্তু বুকিংটা হয়, ফোনে কোনো বুকিং হয় না, অনলি স্ক্রিনশট। ফোন কল কিন্তু অ্যাকসেপ্ট করা হবে না, অনলি মেসেজেস। 7,300 ফর পিওর জারি বর্ডার হ্যান্ড পেইন্টেড মধুবনী। ওপর দিকটা সোবার কাজটা দেওয়া হয়েছে, একটু স্লিকার বর্ডার, এবং পাড়ের দিকটা একটু হেভি চওড়া কাজ দেওয়া হয়েছে এবং তার সাথে আঁচলের দিকটা পুরোটা একদম প্যানেল ধরে ধরে জারি উইভ ওয়ার্ক, মানে অল্টারনেট করে করে পেইন্টিংটা গেছে। গায়ে অল ওভার বুটি, ন্যাচারাল ভার্জিন টাসার কালার যেটা আমরা বলি, উইথ গোল্ড জারি বর্ডার। দিজ আর ছত্তিশগড় হ্যান্ডলুমস, পিওর টাসার ফ্রম ছত্তিশগড়। দেখুন, বিউটিফুল ওয়ার্ক, লাভলি ব্রাইট গোল্ড জারি with blouse piece. This is the blouse piece for this sari. All hand painting, lovely piece. Now another one similar type. Even in the social media we are very new. I have not yet started. I am not very confident in doing my live videos also, because I can anyway these kind of sarees are very limited stock, so I don't want to show pieces and then not be able to cater to all your demands. Maybe I'll not be able to give you so many pieces, so it's best I can do I can show whatever I can. I'll be able to cater. So there's always demand of pure handlooms, pure hand painting, kalamkari, tussar, embroidery, and you've given so much of support, but I still have I'll not at the moment do live sessions because you have been requesting me to go live. I'm not at all comfortable, first of all, and number two is it's best that as I said, I want to cater to all customers. I don't want to just show and then say it's sold, 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 which is happening quite often. So I really want to keep things under my control. This is the pallu part of this painting. Now again something different. Very pretty magenta color. Skirt border. I have not shown skirt border before. This part again Chhattisgarh pure tussar handloom. This part is the natural color, this part is the dyed color. So this part is a bit brighter tussar. I mean the tussar is same, because of the polish that seems brighter. This is the pallu part, bright bharni work, nip painting with bharni Madhubani. See the border, very broad mohapar, broad border, skirt border, and this is the blouse piece. The brightness of the sari comes very well in this tussar. See the pallu. Take the screenshot and then WhatsApp to any one of the numbers provided. Wine color. See the painting, how beautifully and neatly the painting has been done. Take the screenshot and WhatsApp. As I said, we have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Both are very close by. There's car park. Sundays we are open till Durga Puja. After Durga Pujas we will be closed on Sundays, and regular we are, stock is added in the branches, both the branches regularly. You can like our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where these still pictures will be uploaded in the Madhubani album. So you can have a look at the still pictures also, in case you miss out the video, anything is not clear to you. But please be sure and then only do the booking. This is the pallu part. See the bright painting in the pallu part. Now coming to red. These are all skirt borders, new design, hand painted Madhubani. This is the only episode I will be doing before Durga Puja, because stock will not be ready anymore. This is the pallu, the fish, beautiful fish motif. This is the blouse piece. See the lovely painting, bright and gorgeous. Beautiful piece. And the similar design, only this is B, 6B. The only difference is that the fish was all red, this is orange and red. Whichever you like. If you don't, it's best you give me option in case that is not available. This you can have a look. Both are equally nice. So I'm just showing you this way. Just take the screenshot. Both with the blouse piece, sleek narrow border. This is the product number 6B, equally pretty. So just because of these little technical this thing, one fish different from the other, so that's why I'm showing you both the colors, so that the correct sari goes to you. So screenshot is very important. And again, let me tell you, whenever you are giving the shipping address, even today 6 to 7 parcels were stuck because I did not get the local phone number. The parcels were shipped maybe within India, but somebody who is booking the product as a gift has not given the phone number. So international phone number, I cannot ship a domestic shipment. So 6 parcels in first half only it got stuck. I don't know how many in the second half. So best, please, whenever you make the payment, name, address, phone number in one single message, because I forward the bookings to the dispatch team. So most of the time I have to wait for your full address, phone number and pin code. Pin code is also very important. Please give me correct address, phone number and pin code. This is in yellow. Bright, beautiful Bharni Madhubani. Similar type. This is a bit mustard, that is golden yellow. This is a bit mustard. This a bit muted colors, that was a bit brighter shades. 8200 for skirt borders. 7B. Design more or less same, except those who like a bit subdued colors can go for this. Those who want bright can go for that. Blouse piece. See the lovely painting in the pallu. Product number 8, just from Polish. Lovely all over. See the hand painting done. All over Bharni. It's just beautiful and all freehand. Very little sketch that they do. It's beautiful painting. See the pallu part. It's just amazing. See the pallu. This is the body, whole body painting, full painting. This is the blouse piece. Best to wear a solid color blouse like the sari blouse, or a contrast. If you want, you can wear a red, bottle green, royal blue, anything, but off-white color will look best because the sari has so much painting. It's best to keep this blouse piece very subtle. All over hand painting. See the pallu. Product number 9. Clearly the painting, the pallu, circle, body, figures. Very bright and pretty. See the painting. Amazing art. With blouse piece. If you want, I can add the tassels and the border, but you have to give me time and it will cost you a little more, 300 rupees more. 8,800 for this all over hand painted Tassar Madhubani. Product number 10. Very artistic, very artistic. All over hand painting, pure Tassar, soft quality. Chhattisgarh pure Tassar hand painting with blouse piece, 8,800. pallu. Now coming to number 11, again 8,800. This type of design in this checkered form, I'd worn it in one of the previous episode, first episode I think in Madhubani I'd worn something similar, second episode of Madhubani, and there was so much of positive response. This is the pallu. That was half and half, this is all over. See the painting. Beautiful work. Multicolors, mainly these colors we use so that these are the favorite colors, the combination with blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Lovely art. So this way let me show you the sari. Can you see the work, the amount of time that has gone in creating each of these hand paints? See the beautiful work. So intricate, so beautiful and so neat. All over painting, all over. And blouse piece. Actually all the sarees are very gorgeous, very gorgeous. Same price, 8,800. See the beautiful painting in the pallu, figures, fishes, wedding. Last time I couldn't show much all over. So this time I have got few all overs, so you can have a good look. This is the blouse piece. Now again something very innovative with the Durga Puja around the corner. I've done some lovely theme based sarees also in hand painting, but this is a bridal figure. See the painting, the bride and the groom. The body. Just the sarees have come. I have not even opened it once. I am opening all in front of you. See the painting. Don't worry, these little marks will be on your tuck-in part. These are very natural in hand painting. These are all nothing machine done. These are all hand paintings. So there will be little spots here and there because this is very natural. These are artistic sarees. So little spots here and there. It's very natural with the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Stunning piece. The pallu is the bride and groom highlighted and the body is all over. Number 15, again 8,000. These are all over ones, are all similar price, 8,800. Again, see the beautiful figures that they have painted. It's just total delight to show these kind of lovely paintings. Colorful, bright and very mood boosters. You know, it really enlightens our mind and soul. Really feel good. Even when you are bored of the sari, which I am sure you never will, but later you can make lovely wall hangings, cushion covers, multiple use of these painting, because they'll never go, these don't wear off fast. Na? These are pure tussar and original hand painting. Number 16. I should have opened them once first, then it would have saved time. Yeah, so here is another lovely painting. This is the pallu and this is the body. All over will be the same painting, and then this will be the blouse piece. Here is the body paint. Here I'll show you this way, you can understand that. Here. Due to the moist weather, initially once due to the fold, because the weavers bring from very far, then once after that, then no problem. These will not be stuck like this. What a beauty! See the artwork. Tussar Bharni, pure Tussar Bharni Madhubani. One request, please see properly, be sure and only then book. This is the blouse piece. Off-white colors with multiple painting really looks very bright. Maybe the color combinations are similar combinations, but all the painting is different from each other. But all the paintings are equally bright, so please give me options in case the other one is sold out. You can always have the second choice of yours. Pallu part. Lovely painting all over. This is the body part with blouse piece. Durga. See the beautiful Durga painting. Red. Red all over. Pallu. Pleats, skirt border, blouse piece, pallu. Something very similar to what I am wearing, number 20, 8,500. Ma Durga with her children, hand painting. These paintings really involve a lot of deities, which we usually do only in the pallu, not in the body. Half and half with skirt bordered in the pleats and red contrast blouse piece, very fashionable. Yellow, pallu, body, mustard actually rather I would say, half and half with skirt border. Gorgeous sari. Just take the screenshot and WhatsApp to the numbers provided. We have 2 branches in Kolkata, as I said, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Sundays we are open, cash on delivery only in Kolkata with an additional charge. International shipping is done regularly. Charges depends on weight and destination, and we have the tailoring unit also. So once the payment is done, we can do your blouses. Just you have to give us time because there's a lot of puja rush now. 21B, that was A, this is B. Similar type, little difference in color. So please check out the color. Pallu 8800. Pleats. Of course, there will be the blouse piece. Now, before I go to the other one, let me show you mine. Again, pure tussar with all over painting border, broad skirt border, pallu, Durga painting. See the pallu with black blouse piece, black blouse piece with the border. Very uncommon piece. I am wearing with a ajrak blouse. I have not worn halter blouse. I've not worn any neck piece. Only the bangle pair is 2500 pair. This pair of bangle is 2500 rupees. You have the screw and you can open the bangle. So see, it's a heavy metal, heavy quality, not lightweight, it's heavy. 2500 pair. And even the mannequin sari, it's a beautiful Durga painted again. Mine is in black and this is all over. Is it clear? So pretty. Lovely painting, and see, it's all over. 8800 for the mannequin sari, and we have these kind of blouses also, ready-made blouses, which you can mix and match. We have sizes in the blouses. Number 22. Wine. See the painted pallu and body. Pleats. Blouse piece. Again another half and half in Rani. See the painting, body full work. Half sari full painting and then coming skirt border. See the lovely painting with blouse piece. $8500. When I asked my कारीगर ये क्या बनाया, वो बोला ये शादी वाला है. So I found it so cute. Body black, beautiful, with red contrast blouse piece. So here is the sari and this is the body. I've done quite a few blacks, so it's winter coming and lovely wearing blacks in winter. Similar design in the pallu, but again this is matte finish. With contrast red blouse piece, bright red blouse piece. The last in the sari. So I'm sure you will get lot of choices this time. So those who couldn't pick up a Madhubani in the last episode, you can select from today's episode. This is a border pallu, skirt border pallu, like I'm wearing the same one. Mine has the red Durga, this has the natural color Durga, the background, backdrop. Very pretty. Mine has a black blouse, this has a red blouse. This is the blouse piece. Pure ghicha tussar. Now I will show you dupattas. Let me this thing a bit. Yeah. So 27A. Dupatta with tassels, piping. I think this weight will be clear to you. Full length dupatta, 2150, natural color with black highlight. 27A, 27B. Is it clear properly? 27B, lovely painting, piping, tassel in red. 27B, just take the screenshot and WhatsApp, no calls. 27C, your messages all will be answered. If in case I miss out, please resend or then call. In case of any emergency, you definitely can call. I'll check out your messages. Same price, 2150. Number D, 27D. These look very smart with denims also, with skirt, with your solid color kurtas, red, black, royal blue, green, natural color. Beautiful these looks. Ideal for gifting also, all hand painted Madhubani dupatta in pure tussar. Closely I am showing few motifs. This is the middle part which will be there in all the dupattas. This is the palla part. F, 27 A, B, C, D, E, F. I am showing this doesn't have a center buta, but it has all over butas and border also. Both sides will have the palla. 27 G, H, all are very pretty, all are pretty. So this time lots of natural color dupattas for you, which is your favorite. I've seen HI, 27I, and 27J, the last one in this episode. All over buta. So that's it for today in Madhubani. My sari is also the same price as the other one, the black one, Durga. So please book the products, first come first serve basis, and keep watching, keep supporting. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe. Namaskar.